Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First you're going to know the color's name. Blue color, purple color, green color, red color, chocolate color, orange color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Square, triangle, pentagon, star, heart and circle. First we are going to draw the shapes. Square, next triangle, next pentagon, next kids, star, next heart, next kids, circle, now we're going to put the color. This is green color, square, next purple color, triangle, next chocolate color, pentagon, next orange color, star, next red color, heart, next kids, blue color, circle, what we learn? We learn green color, square, purple color, triangle, chocolate color, pentagon, orange color, star, red color, heart, blue color, circle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.